So I'm Simone Smith. I'm Director of Marketing at HubPages.com, and I'm also building a trade school for online careers called Gigaverse, which is going to come out this summer.
So she just had a panel about how blogging is dead. So could you just explain a little bit what you mean by that?
The gist is that blogging as a format is not enough to actually gain or build traction at this point. So what people need to do is build integrated multi-platform online individualities, or basically a personality that spans across all different times and places online.
So what's something that somebody could do to differentiate themselves if they wanted to continue to utilize the blogging format?
Oh, I encourage people to use blogging as a format, but when it comes to reaching people, you have to find out where they are. So, and I'm not just saying that means going on Twitter. That's not necessarily going to differentiate you, especially if your audience isn't on Twitter. So say you're a really big, My Little Pony fan, right? So you need to be involved on My Little Pony forums. Say there's a subreddit on Reddit. There are many dedicated websites. You might want to be involved on FIMfiction.net as well as fanfiction.net, because that's where a lot of fan communities exist. So it really depends on what you're doing. So the key to differentiating yourself is not only having a strong message and knowing who you are, but knowing who your audience is and where they go, and then doing what it takes to reach them.